This how to 1 minute will show you how to add a Google Calendar to Wix website. Follow these easy steps to add a Google Calendar to your Wix site. First of all, open Wix site editor and click on Add Apps. Click on the Search Apps box and type here Google Calendar. And here you have to click on Google Event Calendar. And this is a free app. Click on Add to Site. And as you can see, my Google Calendar has been successfully added to my Wix website, and it's time to customize this calendar. So click on Calendar and click on Settings. And now you can connect your Google Calendar to get your saved calendar here by clicking on Connect Account. Then go to Calendar section. You can adjust school schedule, teachers. Then go to the Layout section. And here you can select layout, monthly, weekly, or agenda. You can change the calendar alignment from here. Then go to the display section. You can show time zone and you can show event start time from here. Now go to the design section, and here you can change your calendar header background, calendar grid, events, buttons. So from this pop-up, you have to customize your calendar according to your requirements. That's how we can add Google Calendar to Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.